Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video I am going to show you this one, the mansionette unit of the Apple One Heights here in Banawa. And that's the amenities of the township, the swimming pool, the gym, and the jump. Let's go! But before anything else, I really want to say thank you to you for the supporting for this channel. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking the videos that we have in this channel. And hopefully you enjoy the video. And please, you can comment, you can suggest on the next video that we are going to do. Maybe we can visit hotels, maybe we can try to some resorts in it's either now north or south of Cebu. So for now, this is just only the Apple One. This is the corner unit of the mansionette of the Apple One Heights here in Banawa. This is 38 square meters to bedroom. Let's go and we will check this one. Bedroom. Another bedroom. Big closet. Kitchen area. And toilet and bathroom. And we have this very cute balcony. Hello neighborhoods. Hello. Padagan kong mayor. Thank you so much. This has been me again, Mark, and till my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.
In case na yun, nice. So, no worries.
For preparation ba? Mga silingan, oh. Padayon lang, silingan.
Maginat bangay lang gid ug away bala. Kita na audience mo.
And this is the amenities of the Apple One Heights in Banawa. The swimming pool, the gym. The gym is there. And these are the mansionettes area. And this is the Apple One Heights here in Banawa, and these are all the buildings that this township has. And let's go to the mansionette. This is the mansionette that we have. Look at how the it's really high. If you know someone that like your neighbor, but you don't like your neighbor, maybe you can push your neighbor going down here. No, just kidding. It's illegal. Let's go up. Let's go up to the mansionette.
Oh, sir,
Masaag-saag. And this is one of the amenities that we have here in Apple One Heights. It is fantastic. Come and let's go check this out. Sulit juga yung pagka-structure. Oh. Maski kapila siguro nililong ko, okay na juga. And this is the chapel of the Apple One. Welcome to your chapel. And this is the scale model of the Apple One Heights here in Banawa. This is the entrance we have, and we have other entrance here and there. So this is the total development of the Apple One Heights here in Banawa. And this is the Good Shepherd Road, this one. And the location of this project is very close to the Maham International Medical School and the Gaisano Mall in one pavilion, and that's the central amenities of this project. And we have available penthouse over there in those buildings there. I think we still have 7 penthouses available, and these are the mansionette that we have. The walk-up condo that we have here, this one. And we will check later on the amenities of this project. I think we will go there so that we can see the amenities that we have here in this project. And let's try to check here back. And this is the back of the project.
Right. Ang 3 na lang imong uslan.
Oh, 7 days na, 9
9
days.
days. Sige, mo check it. Pero kuan lang ha, in case nga na mo palit ato lang iba. Tawagan lang ka na.
No problem. Buta rin kung sisi na po, kung sisi na yung palit na.
Wala na, sige.
Wala na, right?
Yes.
Wala na, palit period ako. Okay.
Ato na lang kawan nga, tawagan ka balik kung pwede.
And that's the Sheraton.
Ang ilang gigamit kayo,